Hey guys! With our busy lifestyle and schedules, you got to have this Panasonic Comfort Cloud app. The weekly timer is a life changer. Let me show you how. From the main screen, just go to Schedule and select the room and devices. Let's schedule for my bedroom. In the weekly timer, I'll set the aircon to run exactly the way I need it. And to add a new schedule, just tap on the plus. Here, I can choose to set multiple days at once or select all days so I don't have to repeat the same settings. So, let me set for weekdays first. In the morning, since everyone is out by 7 a.m., I'll have the aircon power on. I'll make sure to set it to fan mode and keep Nano EX on to keep the air fresh indoors. We normally reach home by 6 p.m., so I will schedule the cooling mode to pre-cool the room at 5:30 p.m. I can also adjust the temperature, fan speed, and even the swing directions, but I usually leave most of it on auto. Of course, I'll make sure Nano EX stays on to purify the air in every corner of the room. Before bedtime, I'll add a new schedule to my timer at 10 p.m. and increase the temperature slightly. I turn on Nano EX again and switch to Eco mode, so it's comfortable and saves energy. Once everything is set, I'll just save it and activate the timer. I'll just keep this as my default favorite, so I can reuse it anytime. Now, to save this as my favorite timer, start by tapping on Weekly Timer. Then select Favorite Timer. Tap on the plus icon and save. I'll just go to my existing schedule, and clearing my existing schedule one by one, then save. Now, let's start the new holiday schedule. First, from Monday to Saturday, I'll keep the aircon off. On the Sunday that we will be back, I'll schedule the aircon to run inside cleaning in the morning to clean the air pollutants inside the air conditioner. And right before we reach home, I'll turn on fan mode with Nano EX so the room feels fresh. Now, to save it and name it Vacation, so I can easily apply it every time I travel. Start by tapping on Edit. Select Favorite Timer and hit Save. After that, just edit the name of the schedule to Vacation and tap on Save Favorites. Now that it's saved, I can easily activate between my different weekly timer schedule. Just tap on Favorite Timer, and it will show you all your weekly timer schedule you've saved. Just pick a weekly timer and select Apply to Weekly Timer. You know, the app is so easy. I can turn schedules on or off by room, or switch all aircon schedules on or off with just one tap. I'm so happy with it. It lets me plan my comfort around my life. You should try it too.